Hey everyone, I'm out here in my little garden. Big fella's got a little garden. Trying my hand. Girlfriend and I thought we would try to plant some zucchini and got a late start in the season. But things are growing, but we haven't seen any zucchini yet. So I came out here after watching a couple YouTube videos to try to do a manual pollination. All I got are male flowers out here. Can't find any female flowers. And so nothing's growing, which is a bummer because it's early September and I think I probably only got another month. So I was out here to try to manually pollinate, and it's a sausage party. There's only male flowers, and so I guess that's why we're not growing. It's a real pickle. I don't really know what to do. I guess we'll just have to wait. With the YouTube videos I saw, said you take this and you'd put that in the male plant there, and then a female, and swoop it around in there, get some pollen, and then do the same lightly on the female plant, but we cannot find any out here. So I'll have to try again another day. But I just thought it was funny that it's all guys out here, which is how most parties are.